Alright guys, welcome to Blue Line Garage. We got a little treat today. I ended up picking up a trailer. It does have some damage from COPART, and we're on our way over there right now to pick it up. I just got to go and get a cashier's check. Like I do in all my videos, I'm going to share the price of everything at the end. And we're basically picking up a 2-axle heavy-duty trailer in a few minutes. So let's see. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so we're picking up the trailer and we were told we have to go inside and pick it up. This is inside COPART here. Never been inside. They usually bring all the equipment and cars out except for trailers and things like that. Looks like we're heading back here. These are all the cars up for auction. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down because we're pulling up to the trailer right now, and we're gonna take a look at it. I see it from here. Alright guys, so we just got the trailer here. We're gonna review it real quick. Heavy duty steel. I think this is where the spare tire goes right here. This looks custom made. So far the trailer looked good. Both axles look good. Tires. Got 2 ramps back here. Everything is on nice and good. Good project trailer, something to start off with. Needs a little TLC. Alright, so stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I guess we'll follow this build, refix, whatever you want to call it. Alright guys, we're checking the cameras. Looks like we're all set to go. Got the spare tire in the back. Got the trailer. She does. Nice and smooth. The electric brake was locked on a little bit ago. The breakaway was actually pulled out, so I had to plug that back in. Alright. Alright guys, we made it home. Let's do an overall on the trailer here. It has electrical brake in here. A lot of stuff needs to be upgraded and fixed. Frame looks pretty good on this side. This was added on. The tires here look decent, still usable. We do have some issues here. We're gonna probably try and fix this. Probably these 2 panels we're probably gonna remove and put a new set on. It does dip down a little bit on the right here. It might be the frame or the tire that's missing. These ramps here, they come down, they're pretty good. The lights work, the electric braking works. As you could see, the railing here all the way down, we'll just probably have to swap it out. This fender, we're gonna have to cut it right off. It's already starting to come off there. And then we're going to check at this axle here. I don't know if the axle's good or not. The spring's going to have to be replaced right there, as you can see. And that's it. Alright, well, stay tuned. We're going to be working on this periodically, and now I'm going to be posting videos as we go. So just make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, put your notifications on, and we'll see if we can get this going. Blue Line Garage, that's how we do.